until the elevator doors slowly opened. The woman was surprised to see the new department head was her first love from 6 years ago, but now he already had a fiancé. The woman lowered her head and picked up the fallen items, hoping he didn't notice her. But the next second, a foot stopped the elevator from closing. The woman knew she couldn't avoid it, so she forced herself to walk in. She deliberately stood in the corner, trying to keep her distance from the man. But then her colleague greeted him warmly and introduced him as her fiancé. Hearing that left the woman feeling lost. She took a deep breath to calm herself, then reached out to greet the man, but he completely ignored her. Instead, he turned to the colleague and discussed lunch plans. The woman awkwardly pulled her hand back, silently wishing the elevator would arrive soon. Unexpectedly, the colleague invited her to join them for lunch, but the man coldly refused on the spot. Despite his harsh words, the woman didn't get angry, because she knew she had brought this on herself. 6 years ago, the man's mother offered her $2 million to leave him. The woman agreed without hesitation, but the man couldn't believe she would be so heartless. He sought her out for an explanation, but the woman claimed she had fallen for someone else, and if he still wanted to be